Okay, let's do an unboxing of the DJI Pocket 3. Alright, I've been waiting for almost 2 months for this to show up, so I finally went to the store and got it. So let's take a look. Alright, let's open this sucker up. Cut here. And here. A little bit here. So we'll use this instead of my trusty iPhone. See if it's any better, but heard great reviews by it from a friend of mine. I don't know if you know him, Robert Silver's photography. So let's take a look, see. Let me open it up. There's another seal here. Okay. Oh wow. One thing about DJI, that Pocket, really nice. So it comes with this nice plastic bag, well protected. Excellent case. See what's in it. Oh wow, this is nice. This is the machine right here. And it comes with microphone, a battery, everything's well packed. There you go. Everything has a place for it. Extended battery. Like so. What is this? This is, I think it's kind of like a, right, tripod holder and grip. That's kind of hip. There. Goes there. And looks like it's got USB-C cable. Oh, and the lens. And a dead cat. Hey. That aside, I think there's one more thing. What is this? Oh, the other case. Carrying case. Protected case. There you go. Fantastic. These folks really know how to pack it. There's instructions, but I'll just look at how to set it up in YouTube. What's this? Oh, gotta have them stickers. Alright, you guys. Thanks a lot. and then I'll go over it, and we'll take a look at it and see if we can replace my trusty iPhone. All right.